Let's talk about artificial intelligence. It's quietly reshaping the world of work. And, nowhere is that change more profound or more personal than inside human resources.
Walt Disney said that decades ago, and it has never been more true than it is right now. Because the future of work, it's not coming, it's already here, and it's being powered by AI.
That's a huge question, right? But today, we're going to break down exactly what it means for you, for your career, and for the companies we all work for. And we're going to explore it all through the lens of artificial intelligence.
To really understand where we're going, we have to be honest about where we are. And where we are is right in the middle of a massive disruption, and it's all being driven by technology.
According to research from AI-HR, that's the Academy to Innovate HR, technology and AI are no longer some future trend we talk about. Nope, they are the current business reality. And the companies that are going to thrive will be the ones who embrace this, not the ones who fight it.
And look, this isn't just about adopting some new software. We are talking about a fundamental tectonic shift in how we work. It's about challenging all the old assumptions and asking how AI can reshape everything, from hiring all the way to employee retention. So let's get specific with a pretty wild example. I know, this sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but it's one of the most powerful new applications of AI in HR, predicting if, and more importantly, why an employee is about to quit.
Just think about that for a second. What if they could see the warning signs in the data and actually intervene before it's too late? Well, this is now possible, thanks to a field called explainable AI.
This brings us to a really critical concept, XAI, or explainable AI. See, for years, AI was just this black box. You'd get a prediction, but you had no idea why. XAI changes all of that. It's kind of like a weather forecast that doesn't just say, hey, it's going to rain. It actually shows you the atmospheric pressure, the wind currents, and the humidity that are causing the storm. It gives you the why. So, in this fascinating paper called Retention is All You Need, researchers put this exact idea into practice. They built an HR system that could not only predict who was likely to leave, but crucially, it could explain why.
Okay, so that's the theory. But how does this actually work in practice? Let's pop the hood and take a look at what the AI is actually saying.
Check this out. This visual shows you that why in action. On the left, for an employee who's likely to leave, you can see all those red factors, like overtime and a low monthly income, pushing that risk higher and higher. But then look at the right. For a stable employee, you see blue factors, like no overtime and higher job satisfaction, pulling that risk way down.
So the AI started to see a pattern. It consistently identified 5 key factors that were driving attrition. That's the rate people leave, of course. Things like working overtime and having a low income were really powerful predictors. But knowing why is only half the battle. The real power comes from knowing what to do about it.
And this is where it gets really cool. The researchers built this interactive dashboard. So on the left, you can see our employee from before, right? An 84% chance of quitting. But just watch what happens on the right when the HR manager uses these sliders to run a what-if scenario. They change overtime from yes to no, and they bump up the monthly income and the stock option level.
And bam, the probability of that employee leaving absolutely plummets from a whopping 84% all the way down to just over 16%. This isn't just a prediction anymore. It's a literal roadmap for retention. It gives managers actionable steps they can take to keep their best people.
Okay, so predicting the future is, well, it's amazing. But AI is also having a massive impact on the here and now, automating all those routine tasks that can really bog HR departments down. So let's look at how AI streamlines the present in an area that I think we can all relate to, payroll. I mean, it's a process just filled with repetitive tasks, complex calculations, and a pretty high risk for human error. AI-driven systems are now automating data entry, wage calculations, and benefits administration. And this isn't just about saving time. It's about reducing mistakes and making sure people get paid accurately and on time, which, as you know, is a huge factor in employee satisfaction. And the results? Well, they're tangible. One study found that implementing AI in payroll led to a 20% reduction in time spent, a 15% reduction in the manpower needed to do it, and get this, a 10% increase in employee motivation. These are real, measurable gains.
So what does all of this mean for the people who actually work in HR? This is probably the most important question of all. Is this whole thing about replacing people with machines?
Well, there's definitely some anxiety out there.
A Gartner survey showed that a huge majority, 76% of HR professionals, are worried about falling behind if their company doesn't keep up with AI.
And here's the problem. While the fear is high, the confidence is, well, it's low. AAHR data shows that less than half of HR professionals feel like they actually have the skills to navigate this transformation. And that right there, that is the critical skills gap we need to close.
So what's the path forward? Well, it requires a clear plan. It starts with a smart strategy and building some guardrails for responsible use. But honestly, most importantly, it's about investing in people, upskilling them, and creating a culture where they can experiment and learn to use AI as the powerful new tool it is.
Because that's the ultimate goal here. It's not about replacement. It's about augmentation. AI handles the repetitive, data-heavy tasks, and that frees up human professionals to focus on the things that actually matter most: strategy, culture, and people.
So as we wrap up, the real takeaway isn't to fear AI, but to understand it. The change is already here. The only question left is how you, your team, and your organization will adapt and grow right alongside it.